Hi, I'm Ray. If you want to grow longer, healthier, stronger hair, then this natural hair growth oil is for you. Have your edges left you faster than money leaves your account on payday? Then this super easy hair growth oil is perfect for you. Tired of your hair breaking off? Tired of excessive shedding? Tired of thin hair? Embarrassed due to bald spots? Then this hair growth oil for massive hair growth DIY is perfect for you. You do not want to miss this video where I'll be breaking down this simple massive hair growth oil that I've been using over a decade to grow my natural hair. You will need castor oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, peppermint oil, and tea tree oil, a funnel, an applicator bottle, and last but not least, faith. For with God, nothing is impossible. The benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is a thick, nutrient-rich, highly beneficial natural oil offering intense moisture, reduced breakage, and enhances shine due to its content. It acts as an excellent sealant for locking in hydration in curly and coily hair and can improve healthy hair and can improve scalp to support thicker, healthier looking hair. Some of the other benefits include deep moisture and sealing. As a potent emollient, it helps lock in moisture, reduces dryness and frizz, making it ideal for moisturizing dense, dry, curly hair. I just want to say, oils don't necessarily add moisture to your hair, but they help seal in the moisture, and castor oil is a fantastic oil for doing so. I've been using castor oil on and off for years, not even on and off, consistently for years. It's one of those oils, it's always been in my hair arsenal. I can make other hair mixes, but castor oil tends to feature in my hair oils, and I have been able to use this oil to grow back my edges, to cure sores I've had with my hair, to lock in moisture, to keep my hair supple for days, and in some instances it feels like weeks. It is my favorite oil, hands down. It is on the thicker side, so if you don't like really thick oils or you have very thin hair, you want to use this somewhat sparingly, or you want to ensure that you use it whilst the oil is warm before application, because this can thin the oil. Another benefit of castor oil, it promotes scalp health. Its antimicrobial and antifungal properties can help combat dandruff and soothe a dry, flaky scalp. Number 2, sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is a light, nutrient-dense oil packed with vitamins A and E and fatty acids. It helps with hydrating, or that hydrates, softens, and strengthens hair, reducing breakage and frizz. It acts as an emollient to soothe the cuticle, boost shine, and treats dry, itchy scalp. It also acts as a natural heat protection. More benefits include frizz and control. It seals in moisture at the cuticle, smoothing down split ends and adding a glossy, healthy sheen. So if you're one of those people that you suffer with a lot of flyaways, this oil combo will assist with that. You've got the castor oil that's quite thick, that helps you lay down your edges, and then also almond oil that does the same, or lay down flyaways. This oil also has penetrative properties in that it can penetrate into the hair strands and heal the hair from the inside out, which is excellent when it comes to ensuring that your follicles are revived, and this can aid in creating an excellent surface for your hair to grow. Some even suggest that almond oil can act as a natural heat protectant against styling tools. I do have a more detailed video on the benefits of almond oil, so do check that out. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a light, neutral-rich oil that mimics the natural scalp sebum to deeply moisture condition and strengthen hair without clogging pores. It is ideal for reducing frizz, treating dry scalp and dandruff, repairing damage from heat styling, and adding shine to your hair. Further benefits: it encourages growth and reduces hair loss. It aids in improving blood circulation to the scalp and strengthens hair roots, aiding in hair thickness and growth. Another one is as well, it prevents hydral fatigue. It acts as a protective barrier on the hair shaft, stopping the damage caused by excessive swelling in hair during wash cycles. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil offers significant hair and scalp benefit due to its antifungal and antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it excellent for treating dandruff, soothing an itchy scalp, and reducing excessive oil. It helps cleanse follicles, supports the healthy scalp, and improve hair strength. If you suffer from irritable scalp, this oil is for you. This is one of the reasons why I believe I added this when I created this mix many years ago. It's also linked to also promoting hair growth. It has a number of properties that address scalp issues. With tea tree, you want to ensure that you dilute it when using it. So dilute it with a carrier oil, because if not, you can have some adverse reactions. I also want to say as well, when using this mix, ensure that you do a patch test before use. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil promotes hair growth, increases blood circulation to the scalp, and soothes itchiness due to its high menthol content. It may boost thickness and follicle depth, with some studies suggesting potential effectiveness compared to minoxidil. Research suggests this oil can increase the number of hair follicles and deepen follicle depth, which helps anchor more secure results in fuller appearance. So this oil, peppermint oil, can help with increasing hair thickness and density, or with the appearance of that. And that's one of the reasons why I said earlier that this would be amazing for those of you who have thinning hair. If your hair is quite thin, you may want to add more almond oil to this mix and less castor oil, so your hair is not weighed down. You can use this oil to seal in the moisture in your hair. You can use this oil as a pre-poo. You can use this as a scalp oil. You can also use this oil as a hot oil treatment. I also will be having this oil, by God's grace, available on my website, thenaturalhairtoolkit.com. So please do head over to there where you can get your own, where you can grab this oil. I have used this oil for the longest time and it has really helped my hair.
Do you desire healthy natural hair but do not know where to start? Are you a naturalista looking to take your hair to the next level? Are you looking for an easy to follow guide on how to achieve the hair of your dreams? Why not invest in one of our tailor-made hair summaries? Using the information you share with us, we create a hair summary with suggestions, tips and remedies on how you can improve your hair health. Each summary is tailor-made to meet your hair needs and will help you achieve your hair goals. Invest in your hair today and get one of our tailor-made hair summaries made just for you. Your strands will thank you. Hair summaries are available at www.thenaturalhairtoolkit.com.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Ensure you share this video with at least one friend. Have a good day. Bye.